This is probably what I think is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. So you got this suction cup. We were actually able to do this with a suction cup with a screen, even a cracked screen protector still on there. But just getting this little edge right underneath, and this tool was what I like the best, and just kind of get it at that edge and then pry it under until it pops under, and it was right at the button right here that I was able to get it under first, and then after you get it under, just kind of cruise it around the edge, and that pulls the adhesive edge away from the screen. So let's see, it's not all the way in. I gotta put it in there again. So maybe you even have to pull up a little bit more still. So you can see the edge of this, and I guess these tools get worn out. The little guitar picks that we have are definitely worn on the edges. So I just pinched the edge of the tool a little bit, and you see these are little guitar picks are kind of worn on the edges. I think we have a white one. You can see all these edges are all kind of mangled here. But I think that, oh, I thought I had it all done, so let's go again. And this is nice because the tool gets a little thicker as it goes in. And now there's metal edges on the sides that I just hit with that. So this is my son's active iPhone 6. This is the one he actually uses on a day-to-day basis. So we want to get some new tape for this. Not going to be waterproof after all this. And again, we didn't buy a battery kit. Should have. But I just said, hey, we've got all these other... We're going to just replace his iPhone 6. I think we have much newer iPhones around the house that he could use. But he doesn't seem to be complaining, as he's actually videoing this for me, about the fact that we are continuing to keep him on an iPhone 6. I think at the age of 12, I think there's still a lot of kids that don't have an iPhone at all. So he doesn't complain. And I have him on the cheapest possible plan. I guess this is one of my very few product plugs. But we have him on Tello, which is right now T-Mobile service, essentially. And it's crazy cheap. I use it too, and I'm very happy with it. I mean, sure, it didn't work in Alaska, but otherwise, it was pretty simple. So, what do we use? I don't know what tool this is, but there's, first took these two out right here, right? And then we went into the suction cup. So now we're going over to the Phillips head, and because my eyes are getting bad, I can't see any of these things. And thank goodness these tools have these little symbols on them because I can see what they are. And we know that this screen should not be pulled up any higher than 90 degrees, otherwise we could potentially break the cables. And again, my son is 12 years old, did this by himself last time, but I'm talking while he videos, like very nice, helpful child he is. And I think he's zooming in on something for me now, right? See those fingers on my iPhone 7. Yes, I am still on an iPhone 7. I don't see any need to upgrade. I mean, sure, maybe my video quality is not very good. My friend with his drone pictures is all talking about his 4K videos, and saying that